Hi there, Stephen here from Bräu Supply, and in front of me I have our element selection. So I'll start with the 120 volt elements. This is a 600 watt and a 1600 watt element. The 600 watt's great for maintaining mash temperature without any overshoot and is often used as a booster element, whereas this is your main brewing one for brewing up to 6-gallon batches. Here we've got our 240 volt selection. 2000 watt, this is great for international customers and up to it can plug into a 10 amp circuit. And then we've got our 4000 watt and our 5500 watt ones are here. Now all of our elements are 304 stainless steel sheathed, so they really clean up very easily after a brew day. You can just wipe them off, and they utilize standard brewery connections. So you can install it into your kettle just with a triclover standard 1.5 inch connection. It goes right into the kettle with a clamp. Also, you might notice that there's no bulky cables or box off the back of these, as we've had them designed with an L630 plug, so you can just plug it straight in safely and securely. Finally, all of these elements are low watt density elements, and if you don't know what that means, essentially low watt density is per inch of element, there's very few watts going through it, so it's going to eliminate any scorching concerns that you could have with your wort. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. My name's Steven. This is Bräu Supply.